Welcome back. Every coin has two sides, and so does our stock market. The market experiences bulls and bears running from time to time. We discussed bullish candlestick patterns, and as promised, today, we are going to understand bearish candlestick patterns. 1. Bearish Marubozu candlestick pattern. Marubozu is a single candlestick pattern. This pattern does not have an upper and lower shadow or has very small shadows. For a candlestick to qualify as a bearish Marubozu, what does it tell you? A bearish Marubozu indicates that sellers were ready to sell an instrument at every possible price between the day's range ID, between high and low. This suggests that the sellers were more desperate to sell the instrument during the day, which in turn pushed the price down due to high supply. A bearish Marubozu appearing at the end of an uptrend signals a possible bearish reversal in the next few trading sessions. 2. Bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing is a two candlesticks pattern. The first candle must be bullish, green, and the second candle must be bearish, red. The second candle It is important to note that the second candle's body should engulf the previous candle's body. If the previous candle is engulfed along with its shadows, it shows more strength in bearishness. What does it tell you? The second candle's open is higher than the close of the first candle in expectation of more bullishness. However, the high selling pressure pushes the price to close below the opening price of the previous candle. This way the second candle ends up engulfing the previous candle. Hence, a bearish engulfing pattern is formed indicating that the sellers have taken the charge and signals a bearish trend in the next few tradings. 3. Evening Star. The evening star is a three candlesticks pattern. The first candle should be bullish, green. The second candle would be a doji/spinning top and will open and close above the previous candle. The third candle will open below the second candle's close, and because of huge selling interest, it will close below the first candle's open/low, covering it completely. This pattern should appear at the end of an uptrend. Confused, right? Don't worry, read on. It is very simple. What does it tell you? The first and second candles follow the previously existing uptrend.